Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload a resume to ChatGPT. So let's get started the video. To upload a resume to ChatGPT, open your ChatGPT app on the mobile phone. Now click on the plus icon. Now from your mobile phone, click and select the resume. It will take some moment to upload the file. Now you can ask ChatGPT for your resume help. Write down the prompt here. Click on the send button and there you have it. So ChatGPT will show you everything you need to do with your resume. I hope this video helped you out and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.